question, we are drawing 4 balls without replacement. Okay, without replacement means again it is a type of conditional probability, because when you are not putting again the ball in the bag, then it will affect the probability of other. Okay, so please start this question. Let me know if anyone have a doubt. Okay, and Abdur and Rifat, I have checked your paper. You are doing well. Very good. Okay, keep doing like this, and hopefully you will get good marks. Okay, please let me know if anyone have a doubt in this question. Okay, Umir, this question is again from law multiplication theorem of probability. Okay, which we have started in last class. And Umir, please give the test. Okay, so that I can check your performance. No, Rifat, 1 by 256 is not correct. Okay. Let me solve this question. Abdur, Umair, is it done? Oh, okay, Umair. Okay, Rifat, I will wait for 2-3 minutes. Okay. Then I will solve this question because Umair and Abdur are still doing this. Uh, but it is conditional. Okay, Abdur. We have to go like 5C into. Yes, Umair, that's correct. Okay, but please check this. If four balls are drawn one by one without replacement means you have a bag where you have five white, okay, you have seven red, and you have eight black balls, okay, and first you draw a ball and that should be white. So if you will remove one white here, then the remaining balls will be four white, seven red, and eight black. Again, if you will remove one white, then three white, three white, seven red, eight black. Okay, again one, and so on. Okay, Rifat, please again check the calculation. Only white. Abdur, please read this question. A bag contains five white, seven red, and eight black balls. If four are drawn one by one without replacement, okay, find the probability of getting all white ball. So let A be the event of getting first white, okay, first white ball. Similarly, B, event of getting second white. C, event of getting third white. D, event of getting fourth white. Okay, so what we need first white, we need second white, we need third white, we need fourth white. So that means first should be white PA. Then when PA will be completed, we will find the probability of B when A has already occurred. Then probability of C when A and B both has been occurred. Okay, I will write like this. Probability of D when A, B, C occurred. Okay, it will be five. Let me solve this. So PA. PA means first white. First ball should be white. So we have five white here. So we will draw one white from this five. And okay. And what's the total? 8, 7, 15, 20. And this is 20 C1. 5 C1 by 20. Very good, Umair. You are correct. So please continue like this. So this will be 5 by 20, which is equal to 1 by 4. Next is probability of B when A has already occurred. When A has occurred, that means one ball you have removed which was white. So remaining white balls was 4C1 by 19C1. So that means 4 by 19. Similarly, probability of C when AB has already occurred. So the remaining balls are 3C1, 18C1. Next is probability of D when ABC all has been occurred. So it is 2C1 by 17C. Okay. Now please multiply all these and tell me the answer. Rifat, please check the calculation and tell me the answer. Okay, Umair, please cancel out this and tell me the final answer. Abdur and Ifat, please share the final answer. Very good, Ifat. It is now correct. Good. Y.001 Umair. Check here, Umair. 1 by 4 into 4 by 19 into 3 by 18 into 2 by 17. So this will get cancelled out. 3, 6, 2, 3. Okay, multiply all these three, Umair. You will get 1 by 969. Abdur, is it done? Abdur, is it done? Okay, Umair. Okay, Abdur, please share your answer. Please try this question. Okay, a bag contain 19 tickets, number 1 to 19. Ticket is drawn, then another ticket is drawn. Find the probability both will show even number. Plus, okay, Abdur. All of you just give me a minute. Yes, please complete this, Abdur, and confirm me. Okay, Omid, we will discuss your doubts after the class. Okay. Abdur, is it done? Okay, great, great. Now, all of you, please try this question and share your answer. Umair, the first one is correct. Okay, but you are drawing two tickets. A ticket is drawn, then another ticket is drawn. So the first one is correct. Okay, tell me the complete answer. And if anyone has completed this, please let me know. Uh, Abdur, your approach is correct. Okay, but you are doing some mistake. Approach is correct. How many even numbers are there from 1 to 19? Abdur, how many even numbers are there from 1 to 19? Okay, Umir. Just give me a minute, Umir. I will check it. Yes, Abdur? 9. Yes. Now, Abdur, can you tell me the correct answer? Very, very good, Umir. Your answer is correct. Very good. Rifat, please let me know if it is done. And Abdur, now please apply that formula. Okay, your formula was correct, but you have taken even number incorrect. Okay. So first, it should be 9C1 by 19C1. But when you have separated one even number, remaining will be 8. 8C1 by 18C1. Okay. Please complete this. Yes, Abdur, it is correct. Good. Yes, Rifat, very good. It is correct. Now please try this question. Okay, this is a very good question. Okay, this is very important. So please try this. Share your answer, then I will explain to you. Okay, Abdur, please check here. So in this question, a bag contain 19 tickets. Okay, and on the tickets there is a number from 1 to 19. So 1 to 19, the even number will be 9. Okay, 2, 4, 6, 8.
No, we are finding
10.
even number between it.
Sorry, Abdur. Abdur.
So we are finding an even number between 1 to 19.
Yes. For example, the even number between 1 to 19 is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. Okay. We need to select a even number. So they are saying a
So,
ticket. Yes.
so what is the meaning of this statement? A ticket is drawn and another ticket is drawn. What is
Yes.
this?
Yes. So that means two tickets. They are drawing two tickets. First ticket they draw and then they remove that. then they draw another ticket. So that means they are drawing two tickets. Clear?
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Okay, 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 great. Now please try this question. This is a very important question. Okay, because there is a at least. So try this in case you have a doubt, and I'm sure you will have a doubt. So let me know, then I will solve this one. Who is saying this? First, we'll find 3C1 by 9C1, then we'll divide the product by 3. Let me explain to you. Please check here. All of you, please check here. The question is, two balls are drawn from a bag, from a box. You have a box which consists of 2 white, 3 red, and 4 black balls. Okay, one by one without replacement. Without replacement means always remember this word. Okay, it is without or with, because it will affect your question. Without means you have drawn one ball, you have removed that, then you are drawing the second one. So that means one second probability depend on the first. So this is a case of conditional probability. Always check this one. What is the probability that at least one ball is right? Okay, the question is, what is the probability that at least one ball is right? So we need to find this probability that that at least one ball is right. One ball is right. Okay, always remember one thing. Whenever in exam they will give you a question of at least one, but remember the word at least one. Okay, probability that at least one ball is right is equal to, always remember whenever they are saying to you at least one, at least word is there, but with it at least one they are saying, always use this one minus probability that none of the ball is red. Okay, why we are doing this? At least means one or more. Yes, that's correct, Abdul. Okay, they are saying at least one. So all the cases where we have one or more than one, we will take that. Why we are doing this? anyone can tell me what is the probability of P A naught? It is 1 minus probability of A. If you have an event, you need to find A naught, you will write 1 minus or okay. So whenever we are finding, or we can say PA is equal to 1 minus PA naught. Both are correct. So whenever you are finding the probability, you can also do in this way 1 minus opposite of this. If A is an event, then its opposite is A naught. Similarly, at least one opposite is none. Okay, at least one ball is red. So that means 1 minus probability its opposite. Its opposite means probability that none is, in this case, none of the ball is red. Okay, so always remember, whenever they are saying to you probability of at least one, always write 1 minus probability none of the ball is red. Okay, now what we will do, we will assume the event, let A be the event, A be the event of getting a red ball in first draw, red ball in first draw. Okay, let B be the event of of getting red ball in red ball in second row, in second row. Okay, what we need to find here, probability that at least one ball is red, probability that at least at least one ball is red, probability that at least one ball is red is equal to 1 minus, is equal to 1 minus probability none is red. So 1 minus probability that first is not red. So I'm writing not, and second is also not red. Okay, because we have assumed A and B as the event of getting the red ball. So I'm writing here 1 minus first is not red, second is also not red. So that will be equal to 1 minus, okay, apply the multiplication theorem, PA naught, because we are finding the intersection. So PA naught intersection PP naught, and A has already occurred. Okay, the same formula. Now you can find all these values. What will be, who have a doubt? So why A intersection B? Because two balls. Yes, they are drawing two. Observe. Yes, here we are drawing two balls. Okay, but they are asking probability that at least one ball is red. When you are drawing two balls, they are asking at least one should be red. Out of two, at least one should be red. So what the cases we will consider? We can consider where the one ball is red and where the two ball are red. Okay, but the shortcut formula is, whenever you have a question of at least one, always use 1 minus none, opposite of that. So I'm saying 1 minus none is red. So A is not red, B is also not red. So we are finding intersection. For this, we will use the multiplication theorem of probability. So that will be equal to P A naught into PB naught by A naught. Why we take intersection? Okay. So what is mean by this, Umer? Probability that none of the ball is red. None of the ball red means first is not red and second is also not red. So always remember, whenever there is a word and in the question or in your answer, that means intersection. This is not red also, and this is also not red. Clear, Umair, now? Umair? So whenever there is a word and, I'm saying that first is not red and second is also not red. That's why I'm using intersection here. Okay, now find all the values. PA naught. First ball should not be red. Explain in more simple terms. Okay. Umair, can you tell me why you have find out here you need to find probability both ticket will show even number. So can you tell me, Umair, in this case also, why you have find out this one, A intersection B? Read this question, Umair. You have already completed this. Why you have find out A intersection B? You didn't find out. Actually, you have find out this one only. Maybe you have not written this, and you have used this formula, Umair. PA into P B by A1. Okay. There's a these questions are based on this formula. This we have done last week. Okay. Check here. What's the question here? What's the probability that the first is white and second is black? So that's why if you will see your register, and last week we have done this question like this only. So always remember whenever you have a word and, so you need to use the intersection. For or we use a union. This is for or. And for and we will always use the intersection. So in all these questions we have find out the intersection. Okay. First is white and second is black. Similarly here also we have find out the intersection. So whenever and is there, you have to find the intersection. So if you have not written it here, then please write it. Okay. So this is P intersection B, which is equal to P into P by. So here you have find out like this 9C1 by 19C1 into 8C1 by 18C1. Is it clear, Umair? In all these questions from 1 to 4 of this one, multiplication law of multiplication theorem of probability, you have to find the intersection only. Okay, so in all these questions, please write intersection. Take the first event as A, take the second as B, and write intersection. Clear, Umair? Okay. Okay, so till here, till question number 4, we have find out intersection. Now, here they are saying at least. So we are writing its opposite. At least one is right, one minus probability, none is right. Okay, none means A is not right, B is not right. That's why I've written A not and B not. As there is an intersection, please use multiplication theorem of probability. So P A naught into A has already occurred, so B naught by A naught. Now P A naught. P A naught means you have drawn a ball, you have drawn one ball, and that should not be a white. So that means we will select the ball from here, red and black. So that will be 7C1 by 9C1. Okay, so this means 7 by 9. Next is PB naught when A has already occurred. So that means you have removed one ball, which was not, okay, I'm sorry. Here we have a red. I'll check for white. Just give me a minute. Someone has sent a question. Okay, I'm sorry, Abdur. I have taken for white. So P and naught. None should be red. Okay, so we will remove this. Remaining are 2 and 6. 6C1 by 9C1. Okay, then PB naught when A has already occurred. A has already occurred means uh, you have removed one ball from here. Okay, you have removed one ball which was not red. So remaining balls will be 5. 5C1 by 8C1. So this is 6 by 9 to 3. So which is 2 by 3. And it is 5 by 8. Okay, so we will put all these values here. What we will get? 1 minus, I will write here, 1 minus P A naught. P A naught means 1 minus 2 by 3 into 5 by 8. So this is 4. 1 minus 5, 12. So it is 7 by 12. Okay. So please remember these at least type of questions. Uh, Abdur, we have removed one ball. Check here, Abdur. So you have 2 white, 3 red, and 4 black. You have drawn one ball and that should not be a red. So that means you are drawing from here and here, 2 and 4. Okay, so if you remove one ball here, which was not red, so the remaining balls will be 5. Suppose you have removed this ball, one ball from here, so remaining will be 4 plus 1, which will be 5. Okay, Abdur? Umair, what is the meaning of this probability that none of the ball is red? Probability that none of the ball is red. So that means probability that first is not red and second is also not red. Okay. Why can't we do 1 minus 3c1? Abdur, what is 3c1 means? And then we get no. Okay. So Abdur, that will give you one ball is not red. So here the question is at least one ball is red. What you are showing me is you are drawing one ball and you are saying the probability that this should not be a red. Okay. So you are telling me the probability of one ball, that the one ball should not be red. Uh, check here, Abdur. So you are saying 1 minus 3c1 by 9c1. Okay. And if you will solve this, what you will get 1 minus 3 by 9, which will give you 6 by 9. Okay. So you are saying one ball should not be red. You can find out this directly. Ball should not be red. How many non-red ball you have? 2 and 4. 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 by 9. So 6 by 9 is a probability that if you draw a ball, that should not be a red. But here the question is not of a one ball. The question is of at least one ball. This is the difference. Clear up there? Okay, great. So everyone please note down this, confirm me. Then we will start next question. Okay, but please remember this at least we will use in some more cases also. So I always remember whenever you have at least one, always use 1 minus none, complete opposite of that. Okay, please raise your hands if it is done. Then we will move to next question. Rifat, Umair and Abdul, please let me know if it is clear. Abdul, Umair and Rifat, is it done? Oh, okay, Abdul, great. Rifat, please raise your hands if it is done. Okay, Rifat, good. Umair, I'm just waiting for you. Okay, Umair, good. Uh, please try this question. Okay, this came in CBSE 2018. Uh, please try this question and share your answer. And this question is based on conditional probability. Okay, this is based on conditional probability, which we have done in class, in first class. As these questions were came in some previous year, that's why we are doing this. This is not based on multiplication law of probability. Yes, Umair, two events needs to be taken. Okay, then you have to find the conditional probability. Very good, Rifat. The first one is correct. Very good. Please try the second one. And Abdur and Umair, let me know once it is done. Uh, First one, find the conditional probability of sum greater than 9. Okay, so that means uh, 4. We can take 4, 6. Okay, Abdur. And we can take 5, 5. We can take 5, 6. Take all the cases. Do not limit yourself for 5. Just check here, sum greater than this. Then you have this 6, 4. Then you have the 6, 5. Then you have the 6, 6. Okay, this is for the A. But that we will see in the next one. Okay, Abdul. Let me
Yes,
complete this.
sir.
Let me complete this, Umair. Okay, Abdul. Giving that black die resulted in a file like this is black and this is red. Okay, so this is black, this is red. Now they're saying, given that black die resulted in a 5, so we will write all those cases where the black die is having 5. So 5, 1, okay, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5, and 5, 6. Okay. Next one. Now we will find all these probability. So what we need, find the conditional probability of getting a sum greater than 9 when the black has resulted in 5. So we need this NA intersection B by NB. Okay. So this is equal to A intersection B. Find out the intersection. So here we need a greater than 9. So this is fine. 5, 4. Greater than 9. Okay. 1 and 2. So check here. These two are common here. So 2 by B is 6. It is equal to 1 by 3. Yes. Yes, Abdur. Now tell me what you're saying.
So one die resulted in one position, we must have 5, right?
Yes. But Abdur, first find this event A. We are finding the conditional probability. Na? Actually, you are trying to do this question directly. Okay. Don't do this directly. I understand this. First, whenever two events are given, form all the um,
Okay, so
all
that
the
these two
outcomes.
cases we can solve.
Sorry, Abdul.
You have to find two cases, then you have to solve.
Yes, because it's a case of conditional probability. Okay. So the best way is find A, find B, then apply the formula. I know you are doing like this now. Black die resulted in a 5, so you have written like this 5, next is 4, and then 5 like this. Don't do this. Don't do like this. Okay. First make all the events, then put the formula of conditional probability, then find the answer. Okay. Now, everyone, please share the second answer. Yes, Umir, what's your doubt? I hope Umir now it is clear to you. Now, everyone, please share the second answer. Umir, we have both the formulas. Okay, we have this formula also, and we have this one also. A intersection B by PB. I hope I have already told you in the first class. So it's your wish. You can first find the probability, or you can use this one. That's your choice. Umid, it is better if you will not do like that. It okay, it will increase the number of steps because first you need to find the probability here. Okay. In that case, if you will find this P intersection B. So what is favorable? 2. Total is 36. Divide this with PB. What is PB? 6 by 36. So 36 cancel out. You will get 2 by 6 only. Okay. But this one is better. Please share the second answer. Yes, Abdul. Who have a doubt? Please share the answer if second one is done, or let me know if anyone have a doubt.
So for the second question, less than 4 means we have to take one space for 4
Uh,
and the other.
First, you need to decide which you are taking as a red, as we have taken this as a red. Okay, so write all the cases where this red is less than 4. So that means 1, 2, 3. First can be anything, but this should be 1. Okay, so write all the cases. So 6 will be here. Similarly, next one, take here 2. Okay, here you can have anything, 6, then 3, again 6. So total will be 18. Okay, and we have sent the query. No, it is not 1. Omer, most of the time you get 1 as the answer. No, that's not correct. Okay, now please complete this.
So for B then to use like 1 comma 1 like this, 2 comma 1 like
Uh, After your voice is not clear.
so for second bit we have to again use 2 comma 1, 3 comma 1 like that. So the second number should be 1.
Uh, A, okay, less than 4, less than 4. This one, this I am taking as a, I have not written the complete one. So red is my second one. Red die resultant less than 1. So 1 here. Here you can have anything. So for example, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, okay, 4, 1, 5, 1, and 6, 1. Now similarly, here you will have a 2. Here anything. 1, 2,
Okay, so
3,
you have to do till 3, right?
yes, again 3, and so on. So you will get 18 cases here. Okay. Now please complete this.
Okay,
Rifat Umir, if this is done, please share the answer. Very good, Umir. Now it is correct. Very good. Rifat, please let me know if it is done. Very good, Abdur. This is correct. Very good. Rifat, is it done? I hope now this conditional probability is getting clear to you. This question also came in CBSE 2010 and 14. Okay, so this is a good question. Please complete this and share your answer one by one.
So this was a conditional probability.
Read the question. Find the probability that both are boys if it is known that. It is known means this is given. Okay. Yes, it is of condition. Very good, Rifat. That is correct. Very good. Rifat, please try the second one. And Abdur and Omir, share the first answer. I hope now you can do this on your own. No, Mir, that's not correct. No. Okay. Let me write the complete sample space for you so that you can form the events on your own. So a couple has two children, so definitely one should be older, second one will be a younger. So I will take B1 as the older one. Okay. So first is boy, second is boy, first is boy, second is girl, first is girl, second is boy, and both are girl. Okay. Now please try this one. Yes, Abdur. That's also correct. Okay. Now please try this one. But remember the first one is older one, okay? Don't get confused.
Sir, A is both are boys.
Sorry, Abdul.
Sir, A is both are boys, right?
Okay. So they are saying couple has two children. Find the probability that both are boys. Yes. Which we need to find is both are boys. So that means B1, B2. Okay. It is given that one of the children is a boy. One is a children means you can say B1, B2. Okay. You can say B1, G2. You can say G1, B2. Okay. Now please try this one and share your answer. Rifat, please share the second answer. Umair, please share the answer. Very good, Umair. It is correct. No, no, it is not one, Umair. Abdur, please check again. Yes, Abdur, that's correct. Now please try the second one. Rifat, please try this one second. Second, very good, Umair. That's correct. Very good, Rifat. Second is correct. Abdur, please do the second one and share your answer. Abdur, is it done? Abdur, what's mean older child? The first one, Abdur. We have taken the first one as the older. So they're saying the older child is a boy. Okay. So for the second one, the B cases which you will form is take older as B1. So next can be B2 or next can be G2. Okay, Abdur. Now please complete this and tell me the answer. Very good, Abdur. That's correct. Now, next topic. Next is independent event. Okay, so from the name only you can understand this topic. Okay, independent event. So we will say that the events are independent if the occurrence or non-occurrence of one does not affect the probability of the occurrence or non-occurrence of the other. Okay, so what are independent event? If I will say that there are two events, A and B. So if occurrence of A will not affect the B or occurrence of B will not affect the A, then we will say that these two are independent event. For example, suppose we have a bag and there are four red balls in it and there are six black balls. Okay, if I will draw one ball from this, okay, for example, if I will draw a red ball from this bag, I will check its color. Yes, that's correct, Abdul. I will check its color. Okay, and I will again put the same ball in this bag. I have drawn one ball, I have checked its color, and again put this in the bag. Okay, so in that case, and then we will again draw a ball from a bag. In that case, we will say that these two events are independent. Okay, because the first is not affecting the probability of other. I hope this is clear. So suppose you have this bag, you have drawn one ball, you have checked its color, and again replace in the same bag. Okay, again replace in the same bag. So that is a case of independent. Let me take example. Umair, please tell me what is the probability of getting a red ball? If you're drawing one ball from this bag, what is the probability of getting a red ball? Umair, Umair, you have four balls, four red and six black. You're drawing a ball from a bag. What is the probability of getting a red ball? Abdur, can you tell me? Sorry, Abdur, voice is not audible. Rifat, can you tell me what is the probability of getting 4 by, why 4 by 9, Abdur? 4 are red, that's correct. Total are 10. Why is it not 4 by 10? Yes, Rifat, I will ask you another question. Okay. So here in a bag, you have a 4 red and 6 black ball. From this, we have drawn one ball, and I'm saying to you, what's the probability of getting a red ball? That is 4 by 10. Okay, Rifat, now the question is, we have drawn one ball, we have checked its color, we have again replaced in the bag. Now we are again drawing one ball. We are again drawing a ball from this bag, Rifat. So can you tell me what is the probability of getting a red ball? Yes, Rifat, can you tell me? We have drawn one ball, we have again replaced in the same bag, the same ball. Again, we are drawing one ball. What is the probability of getting a red ball? Why is it 6 by 10, Umair? Why not 4 by 10? Yes, so, Rifat, that's correct. Answer is 4 by 10. Okay, we are drawing a red ball, Umair. So you can see earlier also your probability was 4 by 10. Now also your probability is 4 by 10. So that means the first event, this has not affected the second event. Okay. So the first event has not. Okay. Then black ball, then it's fine. I'm saying it here for the red ball. Okay, Umair. So first event is not affecting the second event. That's why we will say that these two events are independent. Okay. When one event will not affect the probability of other, then we will say these two are independent event. Okay. Now suppose if we have drawn one ball and we have removed that. For example, we have drawn one red ball. We have removed one red ball here. So what the event will be, remaining balls will be here, 6 and 3 and 6. What's the probability of getting the red ball? Now it is 3 by 9. So if you are removing one ball, then it will affect the probability of other. So that will be a case of conditional. Okay. And this is a case of independent. I hope now you understood the difference between these two. In conditional, event A will affect the probability of the second event, which happen in this case and which happen in all the previous cases which we have done. So if you're picking one ball and you're not replacing in the same bag, then that is a case of conditional probability. If you're replacing in the same bag, then it's a case of independent. Okay, so you need to check in a question if the event A is affecting the other. So independent, we are keeping the ball back, then again taking, yes, Abdul. The main thing is you have drawn one ball and you again replace in the same bag. So that is a case of independent. Okay, if you have removed that ball, again you are picking a ball from the bag, it will affect its probability. So that will be a case of conditional. Okay, that's correct, Abdul. So let me write the formula for you. You already know that PA intersection B is what? Suppose A has already occurred, so uh, or B has already occurred. So PA into, we know that we have this formula. When A has already occurred, then we will write this formula. But for independent event, I already told you that what is mean by this? Probability of B when A has already occurred. But event A will not affect B. So we can write here PB. Okay. Please check here why I have written like this. A is not affecting the probability of B. That's why B by A, that is equal to PB. Always remember. Okay, so what the formula we will get here? PA intersection B, this is equal to PA into B. This is your formula. Okay, so just note down this one. Just note down this one. This is your formula for the independent event. So in 1 mark question, this is the formula. Okay, PA intersection B is equal to PA into PB. Why we are writing PB here? Because A is not affecting the probability of B. Okay, in 1 mark question, they can ask you whether A and B events are independent or not. So you need to find this A intersection B, you need to find PA, you need to find PB. If LHS is equal to RHS, then you will say that events are independent. If it is not equal, you will say the events are not independent. Okay, just note down this. I will erase this one also. Please note down this statement, note down this formula, raise your hands once it is done. Then we will start the questions. Okay. Okay, Abdul, great. Umair and Rifat, please raise your hands if it is done. Okay, Rifat, very good. Umair, is it done? Umair, shall we move to next? I'm going to start next one. Okay. All of you, please try this one. You need to check, you need to prove even that E and F are independent or not. Okay. So just check this. PE intersection F should be equal to PE into F. Okay. You can get 1 mark question like this in the exam. If LHS is equal to RHS, then it is independent, otherwise not. So please try this question. If anyone has completed this, please let me know. Okay, you know the sample space here. Sample space is triple H, HHT, HTH, THH, HTT, THT, TTH, triple T. Okay. Now form your events and calculate the probability. What is 16 up there? What is 16? E is the first row results in head. Okay, so take all the cases. Triple H, HHT, HTH, then HTT, only this. F is the last row results in tail. So that means HHT, then HTT, then THT, then triple T. Okay. Now you need to find PE. PE means 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 by 8. Next find PF, again 4 by 8. Okay. Find P, A, E intersection F. E intersection, check how many common are here. HHT, this is common. HTH, no. HTT, no. So this is 1 by 8. Now check Y1, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Okay. So PE into PF is equal to what? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, which will give you 1 by 4. And this is what? Uh, this is equal to prove that E and R are independent. So here what we are getting. Okay, there is one more, this one. Okay. So here we will have 2 by 8, which will give you 1 by 4. So you can see here these two are same. So these two are independent events. So other what you were saying 1. What is 1 here? What is 1 Abdur?
Mm.
Rifat, Umair, is it done? Rifat and Umair. Shall we move to next? Rifat, is it done? Shall we move to next? Oh, okay. Umair, note down this. Confirm me. Okay, Rifat, very good. So, Umair, I'm just waiting for you. Please complete this one. Then we will start next question. Okay, these question can come in 1 mark. Okay, where they will ask you to check whether the events are independent or not. Umair, is it done? Umair, let me know if you have any problem in the last question. All of you now please try this question. This question is also 1 mark. Okay. Umair, Abdur and Rifat, please let me know if it is done. The simple question. Uh, Abdur, not on coin, a die. This is a die. So a die is thrown twice. A be the event of getting odd number on the first row. Oh, okay, Umair. Abdur and Rifat, is it done? Is it done, Abdur and Rifat? Okay, Rifat, very, very good. So these two are independent or not? Okay, very good. Abdur, is it done? Abdur, is it done? Okay, great. So these two are independent. Okay, I hope you have done like this. So the sample space will be 1 comma 1 1 2. So total outcome will be 36. Found all, yes, that's correct. And then you have found out A and B. A is first is odd, so 1 and so on. Similarly, B is second is odd. Okay, great. Now 18 outcomes for A and 18 for B. That's correct. Very good, Abdul. Now please try this one, okay? Mutually exclusive we have already discussed in the first class, so I hope you have also noted this. And this is of class 11 topic. Now please try this and share your answer. Final answer for the previous one. The final answer is yes, these two are independent. Okay. Oh, okay, Omid. Let me solve this question. So the sample space will be this 1 1 1 2 up to 1 6. Okay. Second is 2 1 up to 2 6. Okay, and so on. So total outcomes in the sample space will be 36. Now they're saying A be the event odd number on the first. On the first there should be odd. Second can be anything. So 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, and so on up to 1 comma 6. Similarly, 3 comma 1 up to 3 6. Next is 5 comma 1 up to 5 6. Okay, next is B. B is what? Odd number on the second row. So that means here 1, here 1. Okay, then here 1, here 2, and so on up to 6 1. So similarly, next is here you have a 3, here you have a 5. Okay, 1 3 up to 6 3, and this is 1 5 up to 6 5. Okay, it is B. Umir, then we have to find an A intersection B. An A intersection B. So what you will get 1 1. Okay. So you need, what will be the intersection when both are odd? So that means 1 comma 1, 1 comma 3. Okay, you need to find the intersection from these two, or you can think like this: the first is odd and second is also odd. So 1 comma 5. Next is 3 comma 1, 3 comma 3, 3 comma 5. One more. Next is 5 comma 1, 5 comma 3, 5 comma 5. Okay, so this is intersection 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so if you will find the probability of intersection, probability A intersection B, so this will give you 9 by 36, which is equal to 1 by 4. Probability of A is 18 by 36, which will give you 1 by 2. Probability of B will be 18 by 36, which will give you 1 by 2. So you can see here, Umair, multiply these two, you will get a 1 by 4, which is equal to this one. Clear, Umair? Umair, is it clear? Where you have a doubt, Umair? Umair, in which step you have a doubt? Okay, great. Now please try this question, okay? Mutually exclusive, I have already told you in the first class. Independent, we have done just now. So you have to do this question, and I hope you remember this formula which you have done in class 11. PA union B is what? PA plus PB minus P intersection. Okay. Note down this formula if you forgot this one. Okay. Now please try this. Please tell me the answer one by one. Okay, and this is your last question. Let me know if anyone have a doubt. Very good, Rifat. It is correct. Very good. Abdul, please tell me what is a mutually exclusive event? Abdul, what is mutually exclusive? Turn your page. In the first class, I have given this definition, mutually exclusive event. Yes, Abdul. Mutually exclusive are those which do not have anything common. Okay. Two events are said to be mutually exclusive if they do not have anything common. So if they do not have anything common, then that means A intersection will be what? Null set. So that means probability of A intersection will be 0. There is nothing common in between these two. Okay. Now put all the values here and tell me the answer. Okay. And Rifat, please share the second answer. Umair, please share the first one. Umair, why sometimes your probability become greater than 1? Yes, Abdur, that's correct. Umair, why you are getting a probability which is greater than 1? Okay, I have given everything here. Just put the values. Second is 1 by 5. Very good, Rifat. That's correct. Good. Okay, Rifat. So the homework is assignment 2. Assignment 2 complete. Okay. So, please complete this and we will share your doubts tomorrow. Okay, Umair, that's correct. So, Rifat, if you wish, you can drop. Okay. I'm just going to end the class. 1 by 20. No, that's not correct. Abdur. Okay, you're welcome. Yes, I know, Umair, you have doubts. First is 1 by 10. Okay. So here PA union B will become what? PA plus PB. So put the values here. PA union B is 3 by 5. What is PA? PA is this value 1 by 2. 1 by 2 plus PB is what? P. So P is equal to 3 by 5 minus 1 by 2. Solve this 10. 6 minus 5, which will give you 1 by 10. Yes, you need to multiply this, Abdur. Okay. So if the events are independent, PAB is equal to PA into PB. Now put all the values here and share the answer. Your answer is not correct. Please share the correct answer for the question number 2. Yes, you have to find P and the condition is events are independent. Okay, so for independent, this is your condition. Now solve this and share your answer. After this 1 by 10 is for the question number 1. Okay. Now in second, you need to find again this P. You can't use the value from the question number first. So here what will be P intersection B? P intersection B is equal to, what is PA? PA is 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into what is this? P. So this is equal to P by 2. Next, okay, PA union B is what? PA plus PB minus P intersection B. So what is PA union B? PA union B is 3 by 5. And what is PA? PA is 1 by 2. PB is P minus this is P by 2. So 3 by 5 is equal to 1 by 2 plus P by 2. Okay. Now find the value of P. Good, Umair. That's correct. Sorry, Abdur. That's correct. Very good. So, Abdur, do you have any doubt? Oh, okay, okay. You're welcome, Abdur. Then please complete the assignment. Okay. Umair, is it done? Umair, almost 80% questions I have done. Check here. You just need to solve this and have to find the value of p. Almost 95% I have already done. Just do this calculation. Is it done, Umair? Abdur, if you wish, you can drop. Okay. I just need to check some doubts of what is 5, Umair? Is it 1 by 5?